how to change group chat name on Instagram. So now, go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Tap the message icon seen on the upper right corner. From here, select the conversation that you want to change name. Then tap the usernames located on the upper left corner. In here, you will find the highlighted text saying change name and photo. Tap that text and a prompt will appear from below, providing you with these options. So just select change group name. Now input the name for this group chat. Now if you're done, tap save and you will see that the group chat name has been changed. And so that is how you change group chat name on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.